Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Freed, and I will be presenting why classrooms need Apple TVs. One of the best parts about the Apple TV is how you can AirPlay. AirPlay is basically a mirror image of whatever is on the desktop. So say for instance, right now, I have my whole presentation on my laptop and I am wirelessly transmitting it onto the TV. The amount of HD content that is available is amazing. Through iCloud, you can stream music, videos, photos, whatever you need. Anything off your desktop is on here. All the applications that are available are endless. I'll show you some. There's Hulu, Netflix, music, iTunes Radio, trailers, YouTube. You can use YouTube. I use YouTube a lot in school, so this would be huge for the professors I have. Okay, let me go back. So all your music from your iTunes is brought onto this. I can show you that next. So say I go to my music. All of my music is on here. Wirelessly. There's no wires in this. So there's only 2 cords necessary. I can actually show you. So this is the Apple TV. It's so small. You can carry it in a purse, a backpack, whatever you needed. And there's 2 cords, an HDMI and a power cord. And the best part is it's only $99. And the panels that we use at school, when I say panels, I mean what we use to connect the projector to the computer, so we can switch it from different sources like dock cameras, DVD player, VHS. And there's about 20 different cords using that. This only uses 2. And those panels are about $500 to $1,000. Meanwhile, these are only $99. The current trends in the Apple TV are, obviously it's going to be used for entertainment. A lot of people pay $60 a year to have Xbox Live just so they can stream their Netflix. Meanwhile, in this, all you pay is $99, and as long as you have internet, and you can get it all on there. It's the easiest way to stream your desktop onto a large display, just as I'm doing now. Group work is awesome for it. When I have class, in this class, for instance, we had to do group work a lot, and so instead of everyone trying to watch the computer screen all cramped up, all we had to do was project it onto the TV, and everyone could see it, and there was no cords necessary, all wireless through AirPlay, and all your videos can do the same. So eventually, I believe there's going to be an actual Apple TV where your AirPlay is built into it. Right now, it's present in many workplaces. It's used in many classrooms, but not here at ASU, which is why I'm trying to get ASU to have them in their classrooms. And eventually, it's going to be so popular that it's almost necessary to have. Applications of the TV. So as I showed you earlier, you can stream your music, your videos, your photos. And some of the examples of the application on the device are YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, HBO, and one thing that I love it for is using it for presentations as I am right now. The developmental process was, I think Apple's whole intention was to have everything through iCloud. So all my music, videos, everything, all your work, anything you need is through iCloud. It's exactly what we use at ASU right now. It's just so much cheaper, so much easier to use, because what Apple is known for is their user friendliness and simplicity. Yeah, it's so simple, but it's in this innovative device. The low price is super surprising. It's only $99, which could save ASU about $1,000 for each classroom. The Apple remote, I have it right here. It's made out of aluminum. It has infrared capabilities, and there's 7 buttons on the remote. So this is the menu button here, the play pause button, the volume up, the volume down, fast forward, and rewind. And this big button in the center is the control center. So one thing that would come up is how are teachers and professors going to stop students from streaming activating their remotes onto the Apple device. What you can do is you can set up administrative privileges so only that professor could link up their remote or their iPhone or whatever you use as a remote. Because within the App Store, you can buy an app called Remote. It looks like this. It's what the actual app looks like. And that's what it looks like when you use it. And it basically is the same exact thing as this, but it's on your phone. The other cool thing about this remote is it has capabilities with any Apple device. So my approach would be to do a test run of 200 classrooms. I would need a $20,000 budget. And then over time, about 6 months period, I would get feedback from professors and students on how they liked it. They always say feedback is the #1 way to know if customers are going to like it, and that's what I plan to do. If liked, I plan to replace all the panels, which are what classrooms have right now. It's how the different sources become available to use the dock camera, the projector, the VHS, DVD, and to AirPlay, or to sync what's on the desktop to the big screen. So I plan to replace all those with Apple TVs over time. And then eventually we'll decide how many classrooms at ASU can benefit from it. In my opinion, this is the best device a classroom can have. If I was the president of a school, this is what I would want to have because it saves money, it's user friendly, and one thing, I'm a student worker for the University of Technology office, and we are constantly getting calls about how professors don't know how to use the technology in the classroom. With this, it takes no knowledge to know how to use it. All you do is it's already plugged in, you have a remote, and even if you know nothing about technology or nothing about Apple devices, it's so easy to learn. All you do is pick up the thing, and I'll show you what button to look for. This button right here is the AirPlay button, so all you have to do is whatever device you're looking for, you look for that button, and all your stuff on the computer is streamed wirelessly onto the big screen. So for me, this seems like a no-brainer. Why not get Apple devices? They're so cheap, they're so helpful, and from my experience, everyone I've gotten one for, everyone who I've talked to about it, absolutely loves it. They think it's the most undermined Apple product there is. So I hope you make the right decision and go my way and choose Apple TV for every classroom here at ASU. Thank you for your time.